to each channel. So on today's video we are going to learn about Cancer sun sign. So let's get right into the video. Those with the sun in Cancer are both mobile and permanent. Your problems is in understanding of the need for movement, but the in the same time reluctance to part with the tired and tested tradition. Hence the typical movement of Cancer: one step forward, two steps back. They are directed inward. Their first need is to get inside and put everything in order, and only after that they can go outside. They need protection. Pushing and stressing them from outside does not help, since they have mastered the art of passive resistance. People with sun in Cancer always create some distance between themselves and others due to the feeling of internal shyness. They are disclosed only to the one they know very well and to the one they feel confident. Very vulnerable internally. They are ready for the big sacrifices for the one who is trusted, but they are contradictory, conservative and progressive at the same time. Friendly and keeping a distance. They have a better understanding of historical issues and things of the days gone than of the everyday life with its ever-changing fashion. It is too controversial, therefore their action often illogical, strongly dependent on the mood. Cancer are really the people of mood. They are very impressionable and condemning, having a perfect intuition and understand everyone without words. By nature they are people of peace unless someone hurts their feelings. They have an exceptional memory, although they may confuse the dates and the names, but the important memories of the basic attitudes and action are never blotted out from their memory. Cancers have highly developed intuition. They love music. They are sentimental over almost nothing and may cry without any reason, but on the really tragic event they visibly do not manifest themselves. In everyday life they are petty little things are very important for them. Cancer judge sharply the shortcoming of others, but if others recognize this, Cancer may melt. They love affection, but they are not overly soft. They have strong relationships with their family, being very touchy. They are afraid that someone will make fun of them. Rarely put the money in some unreasonable projects, not like to risk, so people feel quite confined with Cancer. They are friendly and diplomatic if not offended. You can only control them in an amicable way. They do not like other people's advice. They are afraid of responsibility, but the important work will be done accurately, safely, punctually and successfully. So if you love this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Stay safe, wear a mask if you want to go outside, and I'll see you people in another video. Sorry.